Hi guys, welcome to Muranga County. This right here is our 4-bedroom bungalow. We are currently on the painting works and the floor works, so we are done with the skimming work, the final coat, as we wait for the client to tell us which paint colors he wants to use. Then right here we have the entrance porch that leads us into the house, just very big and spacious enough. Then we have our steel doors right here, fabricated by Batir, well mounted. Then this is our lounge space, just big and spacious for whoever is going to be here. And then we have our modern chimney right here. So this modern chimney has not been built using normal precast panels. It has been built using normal stones. So down here we're going to be cladding it with red stones. Then on the outside you're going to be finishing it up with either mazeras or bush stones or granite, depending on the client's choice. Then we are going to be setting our TV set right there for the family. Then we set the couches on this other side of the house. Then right here we have our dining room space with a small window there, whereby there could be communication from the kitchen to the dining. Then let me show you the kitchen space. This is our massive kitchen space. As you can see, we have set our working space with the precast panels. We are going to be setting our cooker right here. That's why we have that socket area. Then right here we will set our fridge. That's why we have these sockets right here. And then this will be the main socket that is going to be used to power up our kitchen from the inside and outside. And then we are going to be mounting our sinks and tap on this particular space. As you can see, we have done our plumbing works there. So this is the kitchen space. Then we are going to be mounting our kitchen cabinets on top there and the others down here. So that's it. Then this is our pantry space, or the storage room for the kitchen. We are going to be mounting our cabinets there to ensure storage of our kitchen stuff is well done. Then on this side we have a common cloakroom right here, whereby if we have guests coming in the house, they're going to be using this particular cloakroom. And then on this side you're going to be setting our wash hand basin for the guests. That's why we have these plumbing spaces where we're going to be setting up the sink and what have you. Then let me show you the bedroom spaces. This is our master bedroom right here. Big window to allow a lot of light to come in. Skimming work done, gypsum ceiling installed, socket works in progress. Then right here we have the walk-in closet. You can imagine how it's going to be looking like. We're going to be mounting our cabinets on the left and on the right, just to ease in the closet in storage of our clothes and shoes. Then right here we have the master bathroom. As you can see, very big, spacious enough. You're going to like it when we are done. Let me show you bedroom 2. This is bedroom number 2. Just small but sizable enough for whoever is going to be here. We are going to be mounting our closet or wardrobes there, and then it is ensuite. So this is the bathroom space for bedroom number 2. Then bedroom number 3 right here, also big, spacious, socket work done, gypsum ceiling installed, it's ensuite. And this is the bathroom space for bedroom number 3. And before I show you the last bedroom, we have our laundry space here. This is where we are going to be setting up our washing machine to aid us in the cleaning purposes of the house. And then into the guest room. This is the guest room right here. Very big, spacious. Just look at it. Very, very beautifully done. But I bet you're going to see how the colors are going to come out. And then right here we have the bathroom space for this guest room. And then out here we're going to be setting our wash and basin for the guests who are going to be using this particular room. That's why we have these small plumbing works down there. That is the current project update on our project in Muranga County. Please don't forget to follow us at Paintworks Constructions on our social media handles, and let's keep on updating you on this and more of other projects that we're working on different counties. Paintworks Constructions, building the future one panel at a time. Keep it locked.